Participants to develop their entrepreneurial capabilities. It's also a massive community.
So tonight we're at the launch of InnovationACT here at the ANU. InnovationACT is an initiative of the ANU. We're Canberra's largest entrepreneurship program. And what that means is we're a free educational program helping young entrepreneurs to develop and learn how to execute on their innovative business ideas.
The dictionary definition of pitch is a form of words used when trying to persuade someone. But one of the things that we like to encourage you to think about when you're thinking of a pitch is that a pitch is a story. Right? It's a story that is trying to get people's support.
So our project involves converting conventional vehicles to electric vehicles for more sustainable transport.
I'm trying to open a bar for women.
Developing a platform where we can make better decisions about food and make people who have food requirements make better decisions.
I'm part of the IACT, or I'm here to learn about different ways of refining and developing a business model, meet people, meet the mentors, and see if I can have a decent shot at the money at the end.
And we're involved with InnovationACT because we want to have some fun, meet some like-minded people, learn some new skills, and most importantly, we want to get this idea off the ground.
So I'm here to learn as much as I can to eventually end up with a good, solid business plan, mentors, heaps of money, so that I can open the place I want in the space that I want.
We're here to help the participants, prod them and make them do the worksheets, and ask them the right questions, hopefully.
And also guide them through the toolkits, do the right steps, and also answer questions and give advices.
Hi, my name's Hood. I'm from Team Safeheart. We're part of a very large community here, and now at the back of me, what's actually happening is people are mentor matching. See, now we have 1 minute left to actually talk to the next mentor and so on. So we've learned quite a lot of new things, and hopefully I just got a card from a potential mentor of mine, and yeah, it's going well.
I'm Ben from Smashbite Games, and we're looking at making a psychological horror game that's multiplayer for cross-platform, hopefully. And we're looking at getting someone who's knowledgeable in marketing and connections and possibly even psychology to help us polish off the game.
Alright, so we're at the mentor matching event, and there's a lot of teams going around doing speed dating and meeting all the mentors. As a mentor, we're helping them, I guess, go through all their challenges and sort of directing them through that, and asking the right questions at the right time, essentially, because when people work in startups, they're caught up in the details, and what we want to do is to pull them back and see the bigger picture and how it fits in, and then prod them along and hopefully get some funding.
My name's John, I'm with Civil as AI, and we're a company applying artificial intelligence to civil engineering. And what I'm about to show you is a fundamental transformation of how infrastructure networks are designed and delivered on this planet.
Receiving the targeted seed funding, we hope to kickstart our venture a lot sooner.
But there are two major problems with the market at the moment. The first is cost.
Now Telstra is very right to be worried about the skills gap in Australia.
I'm excited to be working with one of my colleagues, Hamish Lardy, who has over 150 restaurant contacts through organising food festivals.
With fair distribution of workload, pharmacists will have more time to ensure they dispense the right medication at the right dosage.
So if the hardware actor is using too much power, it means there's too much wind loading, it automatically falls down. There are less mechanical parts as possible, which is why there's a cheap and innovative product.
The installer receives about a 17 to 26% margin.
GP, physio, dietitian, etc.
So, we at Safeheart, we're just two PhD students physics and engineering background.
There's not a huge variety in gameplay. There's mainly level-based systems.
So let's hear it for every single team that's gonna pick up a piece and do it anyway.